A quick revision for the last sessions one more time. Lathe and shell I'm making a little bit more clear. Okay. Lathe and shell object. Lathe means to get it something, for example, I had a glass like this, right? Drinking glass, for example, I want to get this way. Simple. Vertex point selected. But the last sessions, you do more practice on the basic editing, okay? Vertex, then we do fillet on it here, and here also fillet. That's all. Now, if I do directly lathe option, lathe, L, lathe, you see it comes like this because there are three options. Minimum means it comes to left side. Center means based on the center it is rotating. Maximum means other side. We need minimum. Okay, now it's perfect. You see these two options. I told you flip normal means is the face is, one side will be black always. Well core means while joining area, if there is any problem, is going to solve it. Now, if you press F4, the segments you can see. If we want to make more clear, perfect, you can increase the segments as well. This is done. Now there is no thickness. To add a thickness, we are using lathe. L. Again, if you press it, L will come. One more time. Sorry. Shell. S. Shell. Click on the shell, then inside or outside if you want. This is actually shell option we are doing. Now, if I say shell only separate, I'll give you one more exercise example for shell. Okay. I have a box. Okay. Convert editable poly. I've selected one face, delete it. If I want to give thickness for this, I can use shell, inner or outside. So any shape, if you want to give thickness, you can think about shell modifier. Okay. This one we do with vertex. So anytime I can go back to this line and this vertex and I can make any changes. If I do any changes, go back to shell here or go back to lathe here, you can see the result. Go back to vertex, I can make a changes like this. Come back to here shell, you see it is modifying. So anytime I can go to this shapes can be, I can modify the shapes. So this is already explained. One more time revision because you may have doubt here and there. So shell and lathe is very clear now. Any shapes you can do with this. Okay, any shapes if you extrude, if you don't have thickness shell or 360-degree, any shapes, if you any kind of drinking glass, any port, this all you can make it. If other side are different, you cannot make it. Otherwise, you do. If you just check here the revolve option, revolve example. This kind of all shapes in 3D. Example. 3D. You see many shapes. This all shape. You can make this, Just draw only the side view. Then if you want, I will show you quickly. Everything can make it. It's one good exercise. I'm going to save this image. Okay. Desktop. This one manually you need to do. This all you do it, and this one manually do it. This one manually can do it. It's a good exercise to practice it. For example, I want to import that image over here. So like you can do by images or you can do with picture. So for time being, we know it's very easily how to give an image over here. The left view, I make a plane here. Then go to material M, select it, assign, click here, bitmap, desktop. This is my image import. Okay, this is my image. Now to trace it, just I want to get that outline only. Go to line 2 from here to here. I'm doing only, I'm clicking on wherever I'm getting the curve, that place only. Okay. Then vertex. Select this vertex. Fillet only. Fillet. Select it. Move a little bit here. Fillet. Fillet. Here. Select this all. Move to this side. Fillet. Fillet. If you need more, individually you have to do it. If you do together, you cannot control much detail. If you done the shapes, select and delete. Select it. Use, see this, this will have a point over here. I show you lathe minimum. I told you on the top will have a point. So this vertex can go inside and down. Lathe vertex. And go to left view. Exactly from center, right? So from center, gonna make this way. Lathe. Check with the normal because it's touching this corner. Weld core also. Left view. Center. We could have snapped to grid, then perfectly will come. This also keep it till here. Lathe. Perspective. It's okay. Wait, you can zoom and try again. But there are other options also. You know, after this one, of course, you can convert to editable poly then and fix that easily. Material, assign, give a color, use your specularity. To control this one, if you want, if you finish this all, you can convert this one to editable poly. Then it become like normal vertexes. You see, it's normal vertexes, right? Anytime can select it and scale to center. If you're facing more problem on it, okay, you can try. The same way, you can try all chess piece one by one. See, even this one, if you want to do, you're going to do only here, then we can. I will show you few more to get more idea. For example, horse is difficult. We need to model in different way, but we can do that also, but not this way, because horse is not 360 degree. First, you check this one if this is okay. By the time we'll show you some other also. I'm going to keep this one to one side. Go to left view. The same way, have another plane, material, assign, click here, bitmap. We choose, we have a side view or okay, it's not exactly side view, but I will manage when I'm drawing. I lost it. I think that format have some error.